want you to tell us about a product, and you've been on our videos before, and we've talked for years now. We've been friends for probably 4 years now, I think.
Yeah, maybe 5. It feels like 10.
Feels longer. We've known each other, but we've been using GasStop since the very beginning, and it's one of the safety products that we promote all the time in the RV parks. And we have the man himself right here. So Martin, tell us what's new with GasStop.
So what we do is we make GasStop. GasStop is a 100% shut off if you have a catastrophic leak. It goes straight on the cylinder. We can show it in a minute. You also can do a minor leak test. That's important too. If you come to your new destination, then you want to do one thing and just check for your propane leaks, even minor leaks. So you just open the cylinder, prime the gauge, and then you close the cylinder again. And as long as the gas stays trapped, you know you're good to go. We also developed a 90-degree hose, and that's specific for tight spaces, air streamers, fifth wheelers. When you got the system on and you have tight space, you use a 90-degree hose. There we go.
Ta-da!
And that's good for a lot of the RVs because they are really tight spaces. So like in our Class A, we have this, and we modified this a little bit. Not this, we didn't modify. We modified our area slightly to make it work, and it was no problem. We've had it now for 5 years with 0 issues.
Yep.
And it's a sure thing for us, so it's a must have.
Must have.
Do you want to show the test leak there? I think you're showing how the actual product works.
Yeah, so this is the GasStop, and this is the 90-degree hose attached to it. So what you do is you put the GasStop on the cylinder, then you open the cylinder. You need to prime the gauge 4 to 6 times. There's a little ball bearing in the middle, and you need to get that down. And then, if you would be so kind to push that button.
Oh, I got a phone here.
And if you, as soon as you push it, it will stop 100%.
Shuts it off.
Shuts it off.
Yeah.
So
Keeps
there
you safe.
have it. It's really a simple product probably to make and build, but it's a simple product to use, and it's a sure thing to stop major gas leaks. So
it's actually quite good that you mentioned that, because it's mechanical, so you don't need batteries. It always function, and it's based on flow rate, so we don't work with springs that can get sticky. So it's a very old-fashioned technique in the new jacket, and it's what we have done. It's a very complex product, but to use, very easy to go.
correct.
Yep.
And safety.
Safety
Keep you
first.
safe, yeah.
So Martin, thank you so much. We're good friends with Martin. We love him and love the company. So again, thank you so much for taking a few minutes with us.
I love you more.
Appreciate it.
Yay!
All right, see you.